On that initial call, it can be difficult to determine if the customer is a real customer or just somebody that's just shopping around. I do want to try and figure out, first of all, like what drew them to think about lighting? How did they hear about my company? But what is the reason that they're looking to install a landscape lighting system, have us design and install the entire thing? Our process has changed over the years. At the beginning, I was answering the phone. And so I would be out in the field installing, the phone would ring. I'd have to kind of prep myself, get my mind set, and answer the phone. And I have to be honest, there were times that I just let it go to voicemail and didn't think that would hurt my business, and it hurts your business because a lot of times customers will just move on to the next potential lighting company. The initial phone call is really just setting the stage for their at-home presentation. So what we want to do is talk a little bit about what they're looking for in lighting, what they want to accomplish, what areas they may be looking for. Are they looking to do it all at one point, or are they looking to do it in stages? How did they find out about our company, and ultimately, like, what do they want to achieve in their lighting that we install? From that point, we schedule the appointment, and we're very clear on scheduling appointments, when they're going to happen, and what the process is going to look like. How long is it going to take? We ask customers if we can to have all decision makers there, but that's not always possible. One thing that I believe is time is not your friend. So as soon as we have the appointment, we really want to get the actual meeting fairly close to that time frame. I don't want to wait 2 weeks or 3 weeks till we meet with that client, because things can change, their priorities can change, or they might decide to just not do lighting at this point. So we want to be able to, if we take a call, we schedule appointments, typically going to be 2 or 3 days out, that we'll come out and meet with that customer in person. Once we've established that, we are going to have points of contact that we're going to send them through email communication or text messaging. That's just going to talk a little bit about who our company is, let them know a little bit about the successes we've had in the past, maybe some neighbors' homes we've done, and an appointment reminder. We feel that appointment reminder is so important because if I'm going to drive an hour to go meet a customer, I want to make sure that they're there.